See the squirrel? My wren is trying to tell him to go away. I can't get any closer. If I go out there, he'll fly away. He's so camera shy. He doesn't mind if I'm right by the window where he is. He's on the windowsill, but if I come out with the camera, he just runs away. The squirrel doesn't know what to do. Usually he at least attempts to get over there to the bird feeder. But the wren is making that hard. Boy, is he determined. This is mine, this is mine, this is mine. It's a squirrel-proof feeder, so squirrel won't actually get any food even if he tries. He's so funny, so determined. See if we can get a little closer. There we go. Isn't he cute? This is my little Carolina wren. He comes really early in the morning. Oh.